Phase 3 and 4 was actually two of the phases that got brought together in the Feltham programme to deliver a re-signalling solution which covers the area from Chiswick down to Witton, just by Twickenham, all the way across to Egham and then all the way up to Windsor. The scope of the project is the re-signalling of the controls that operate the railway, and essentially that re-controls the existing solution which is run out of Feltham back to the new state-of-the-art Basingstoke Rail Operating Centre. The scope of the project was to deliver 7 interlockings across the area, and included in that is 7 level crossings as well.
This is a large and important project for the region. It represents investment of £116 million for the taxpayer. Atkins is our principal contractor, and it's through their work that we've been able to get to this point in delivering the project.
So this is an important phase because it completes the early phases of the scheme into London and out of London and connects the two together. It sees us replacing the old expired railway signalling system with a brand new electronic signalling system, much more reliable and much safer.
The advanced signalling method is a comprehensive signalling solution. It's the end-to-end process of how we deliver signalling solutions. And it's quite unique in the way that we have developed this process, this method, which is highly templated and highly standardized. So every time we deliver these solutions, we don't have to rework that design or rethink that design or reassure that design, because that generic design and assurance has already received full product approval. And that full approval allows us to deploy ASM anywhere on the network rail infrastructure.
From a commissioning point of view, we have the ability to stage level crossings really easily and really efficiently, knowing that we've got a simple upgrade path to bring a separate level crossing into an integrated solution as part of a major commissioning. And that really was one of the key things that enabled the Feltham Phase 3-4 commissioning to be commissioned in such a short timescale. So the ability to stage level crossings, shorten commissioning timescales, minimise disruption, but then ultimately migrate them into integrated solutions is absolutely a unique selling point and a key strength of ASM, and one of the real success factors which obviously contributed to the Feltham Phase 3-4 commissioning.
It's been amazing to see how the ASM on such a big scheme has been delivering huge improvements to the project in terms of cost reduction and timescales.
So from a project delivery perspective, on Phase 3 and 4, we have implemented a subcontracting model. It's completely changed the way we've delivered the projects compared to previous years. So all of our major works throughout the commissioning have been undertaken by some of our key strategic partners. So it's changed the dynamic of how we've delivered and achieved the commissioning. It's enabled us to bring in expertise of our construction team, our planning team, our engineering team, and really collaborating with our supply chain partners to have a really detailed and robust plan before we went into the commissioning. And in bringing those forces together, we've definitely been a very, very successful team together.
When you consider in commissioning we had 180 people working 24/7, 64 RVs across the commissioning, 32 mutes, considerable amount of work that we needed to do to ensure that we could work effectively, but more importantly, really safely.
This phase has seen the successful completion of now 80% of the Feltham scheme, and it's been testament to the brilliant teamwork and collaboration between ourselves, our client Network Rail, our key subcontractors in Global Rail, RJ Power and MPI, that have worked together seamlessly to deliver a brilliant upgrade to the railway in a really efficient and remarkable way. The performance of the scheme since we've completed it on the earlier phases has been outstanding, and we're looking forward to continuing to work together in delivering the final phase, Phase 5 of this scheme.